We use this absolutely everywhere. Our improvement wall, we made this case for this touchscreen PC. This is a phone holder attachment. This is the drill holder attachment, and we've simply put that in there so everyone knows where the label machine is. But it really has made our life easier of managing all the tools and equipment. And I'm going to show you more. Let's go. Our order shipping wall. This is multiple panels bolted together with M6 bolts, A4 document holders, and then we have a goods in tool wall as well. So that's all these are standard attachments. We have a place for everything. We really made our work easy and fun. We like to label things and label the floor. So this makes it easy. So any employee can come up, grab a label machine, grab some floor tape and set an area in their work area. It really makes people take ownership of their equipment. So in our production department, Stuart here actually has done such a great job using all of our standard attachments for store his tools. It really makes his job easy to make a good quality product because he's not struggling looking for things. And he set this up all on his own. What a wonderful thing. They're used everywhere. This is our welding department where we weld our products, welding mask, we have the orders, even where we store all the jigs for manufacturer. That's our standardized wall panel just built onto a frame. Oh, amazing. Here in our assembly and wiring area, standardized panels, all of our standard attachments, again, made it very easy. Anyone can do it. You screw the panel to the wall, select the attachments you want or buy a starter kit and you're away. Start organizing your stuff. When things are laid out easier, the job becomes easier. So why wouldn't you want to set your things out in an easy visual way? That one's a bit of a mess, but anyway, you can see it in real life scenario. Welder, got all the bits laid out. It's a wonderful thing. This is another example where we really have used a fantastic pattern. This is our wall we use for our morning meeting. It goes up and down and it uses our same attachments. We haven't got none on here, but you can see this pattern is very versatile and we've used it everywhere, which we have our wheels on our morning meeting. It's an amazing thing. So where they're metal, we use sticky magnets on the back and it allows us to put our signage up. Really easy, sets a good standard. We're going to go into the kitchen. We've even used our standard wall panel and our A5 paper tray to store our towels in the kitchen. So every morning, everyone's on a row to come clean the kitchen, so 2 towels per day. On Friday all go in the wash, Monday they get put back in. So now we know, today's Tuesday, the new towels have been put out. Easy. And to quietly and wipe our feet. Where's your spare sweeper? You don't even have a sweeper, but this is where our office sweeper is. Sweeper to dust and floor, we have a spare sweep head, the vacuum, the charger, and it's all done on our standard Nukeson Tool Wall. What a wonderful thing. Also our stationery too. Look at that, we don't struggle here. You need batteries, there's a box of batteries, but underneath there's another box of batteries. This is called a Kanban card, I won't bore you with them technical details, but anyhow that allows us to order more and we've got another box. Makes our life very easy using the Nukeson Tool Walls. It's a wonderful feature for work, place and home.